How to change language on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language on WhatsApp step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as app language. And here, once you tap on it, on the next page, you'll see a list of all the languages available. So here you can simply choose the preferred language, and here once you tap on the preferred language, it will change automatically to that preferred language. And that's it. That's how you can change language on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.